In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Minimax AI pricing. If you've been exploring Minimax AI and want a clear picture of what it costs, the platform makes it fairly straightforward, especially once you know exactly where to look. Let's walk through it step by step so you can confirm your options without any guesswork. First, head to the official Minimax site or app and log into your account if the platform asks you to. Some areas of the site may show general information without signing in, but pricing details that apply to your usage are typically tied to your account. Make sure you're on the genuine Minimax domain and sign in securely so you see the correct dashboard. Once you're in, look around your account dashboard for a section labeled Pricing, Plans, or Billing. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the top navigation, along a sidebar, or under your profile icon in an account or settings area. Sometimes it's labeled Upgrade, Manage Plan, or Subscriptions. Opening that page usually reveals the available plan tiers or credit packages, what each includes, and how charges are structured. If you see monthly or annual options, that's where you'll also find the difference in rates and any included credits. Take a moment to note the currency, whether taxes are shown, and any renewal notes displayed on the page. If you don't see a pricing page right away, check your credits balance from the dashboard. Minimax often starts users with a pool of free credits. Your balance indicator may look like a number, a progress bar, or a small badge in the header. That balance area is useful because it not only shows how much you have left, it often prompts you to buy more when you're running low. Those prompts typically link straight to current pricing. When your free credits are nearly gone or fully used up, the platform usually presents clear options to purchase more. You'll see buy buttons like Buy Credits, Top Up, or Upgrade, and selecting one will display the paid credit packages or plan tiers along with their prices. You don't have to complete a transaction to view pricing. Just open the purchase screen to compare packages and see what fits your needs. Before you leave, double-check details such as package size, the billing period, and whether any auto-renew option is enabled, so you're confident you understand the costs. That's all you need to locate and confirm Minimax AI pricing quickly and confidently.